In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson XP625 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. First, before you get the resetter, we suggest you to disable for a while the antivirus on your computer. After that, you can get this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the resetter, you can just right click and select extract. After you extract the resetter, you need to open the resetter folder and run the adjustment program here. After that, you can just click the select button and select model in for XP625 and click OK. Then you can select particular adjustment mode here and select was inkpad counter and click OK. After that, you can tick the main pad counter options and you can click check button. After that, you can click initialize button. If you encounter an error here, you can repeat the resetting process and make sure your printer is turned on and the cable is connected into your computer. After the resetter works, you can just click finish and you can turn off your printer. You can also close the resetter programs and you can turn back on your printer again. Hope this video helpful for you.